pi bay buôn pram you repeat good so muôi is one muôi two pi pi bay buôn pram okay again muôi pi bay buôn pram okay at least you know because you will stay more longer muôi pi bay buôn pram 1 2 3 4 5 actually up to 5 6 7 8 9 10 so we have from 1 to 9 and 10 muôi pi bay buôn pram and then 6 we say pram and plus 1 pram muôi good and then pram
B
the best and then pram bay the best and then pram
oh no I'm stuck
okay so that's why you just remember like muôi pi bay buôn pram okay and then we count to 6 just pram and 1 pram and 2 7 like okay again pram muôi is 6 pram pi pram bay pram buôn and đọc 10 okay thank you and have some QA okay and some talk discussion it's fine for you okay good so let's start maybe you can move your bag right here you can collect all your bag is better because we have also water there good you can choose any bed any mat sit on the mat on the floor okay and any sit
where would you like
here Fran come to this side Fran okay đặt nó nâng lọ chung lên mong mà thị mà đập thô đó mới so this morning you got breakfast everyone breakfast what's your breakfast
fruit and bread and stuff
and actually as I said it is it's new one actually it just built in 2017 it's very new one and also the tree is because we planted it since it's a very young one little one but now it's look green and we can have like the shadow when the sunshine you can sit without roof so the leaf as our root our leaf okay so Uncle Tom or Bayon Temple is a very huge one and very popular in that area. This Angkor Wat is this side and Uncle Tom or Bayon Temple another side. And at Bayon Temple there are 54 like Kampul, like the peak. First one, loving kindness. Loving kindness, everyone need loving kindness, right? Without loving kindness, we will not live harmoniously. We cannot live peacefully. We will have what? Like a conflict. We will have violation. You know, any conflict, any violation, because they don't have loving kindness, metta in their mind. Always have like hatred. So like the fire in their mind, anger. That's why we have, you know, any conflict or even the war between nation and nation. If we have loving kindness, there is no any conflict in this world, you know. That's why some people ask me how to solve the conflict resolution, how to have the conflict resolution. I said just everyone have the loving kindness, you know. If we have loving kindness, we cannot like take the knife or take the weapon to kill each other. It's impossible, right? You think so? Because like if you smile to each other, you can talk to each other. Why you can talk? Like why you can smile? And second, it is second word is second. Yeah, compassion. Yeah, compassion. Compassion is the thing that you are compassionate to the one who are inferior.
And also,
Yeah, like similar. Look like me.
yeah.
Like Cambodian people.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is krama we say. Cambodian scarf, right? Scarf. It's good tradition. Okay, take it and bring it to UK. Okay, good. And next. Okay, good. Teacher.
Student.
Student. Okay, closer. Yeah. You happy here?
Yes, very.
Oh, very. How much happy?
Very happy.
Very happy.
Yes.
Come again?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Go and read this stuff. Okay. Are you happy in Cambodia?
Yeah.
Come again next time?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. With grandma is good. Oh. How you get grandma from where?
We got given it. For
Huh?
We got given it. For
Oh, good. That's good souvenir. You enjoy Cambodia?
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
Oh, well, you stay forever. She feel like shy. That's good. Very good. Not forever, just sometime. Good. Thank you. What's your name?
Layla.
Layla.
Lola.
Lola. Oh, you know Lola in Cambodia? Lola is like shouting. Shouting. You say Lola is shouting. You shouting? No? Good. You enjoy it in Cambodia? Okay. Good. Okay. Teacher or student?
Student.
Oh, good. Big one. Good. Enjoy it?
Yeah, really good. Thank you.
Yeah, come back again.
Yeah, we'll do.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. You can read in English step by step. It's good for knowledge. What's your name?
Saskia.
Yeah, soft skill.
Saskia.
Come again. Yeah. Next. The one who asked me the question. Only two questions. What's your name?
Eva.
Student, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Enjoy it here?
Yeah.
What you bring to England?
Remember. I've got a Khmer scarf as well.
Oh, okay. Good. Okay. What's your favorite team?
Tottenham.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, I like Chelsea.
Chelsea.
I like Man U. You know, most people know about the Premier League. So yeah, I sometimes go, oh, what's that? Like Beckham, like something like the legend. Like Van Rooney. Yeah, you know him? Okay, good. You are fan? Van Rooney fan? Okay. Beckham fan?
Really bad manager.
Bad manager, but you said, no? Not me. Okay. A good player. Okay, thank you. Anything want to say?
No, we're very happy in Cambodia.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah. Come again?
we'll come again.
Okay. Yeah. Welcome. Again and again, not again, just one. Again and again. Okay, next. Teacher. Teacher, how you? What's your name? Closer.
Thank
All students, all your students? How
Yeah.
many? All?
Most of them.
Most. Oh. And you know them before? Or? Because maybe
Yeah.
it's different classes, but
Different classes.
yeah, but now you know them all. Okay, good. So enjoy here.
Yes.
Any plan to come back?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you. Okay, next. The last? Not yet. A few. Oh, very low. Yeah, closer. I like your hair.
Thank you.
Different from other. Oh no, this some. Yeah. From UK, why not the same? Like white and sometimes like
Similar to Lola's, yeah.
similar. But you look, this how to say golden,
Blonde.
blonde. Oh,
Yeah.
not like how to
White?
say, you're not white or we have to say Tnam used. It's a natural
Oh, no.
original.
No.
Oh, bleach.
Yeah. I mean the born with that.
No.
You defy it.
Yeah.
I got it. That's why I asked. Okay.
okay.
You look nice. Thank you.
so much.
Sorry for that question.
okay.
Thank you. Come again, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, come. For me, many of our friends always ask me why monks shave the hair. That's why I ask her, because when we have the hair, we have to beautify, we have to take care. So for monk, no hair. So it's good. Even the water is saving water, because just a small water we can throw it and can. If a big hair need much water. the reason as well. Okay, enjoy Cambodia.
Yeah.
Okay, come again.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all. Everyone got it. Okay, so we finish, and all the best to you, and thank you for coming, for being happy and cool as water. You want to do it, can. Maybe two hands. Yeah. No. Okay, good. Like cold, being cold and happy, like blessing. Yeah. Picture. Okay, blessing. Be blessed. Be happy. Okay. In New Year, every people come and have a water, Buddha water. Yeah, Buddha bathing. Because they like good luck to you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Take care. Enjoy in Cambodia, okay? Enjoy. Okay.